We are pleased to show you the 2019 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, child safety locks, trip computer, trip odometer, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.